Hi everyone, Mrs. Haney here. The next step in your inquiry process is going to be to generate an end product that demonstrates what you've learned over the course of your research. AASL Standard 1B3 states that learners engage with new knowledge by following a process that includes generating products that illustrate learning. The idea here is to explore ways to generate an end product that demonstrates what you've learned and concluded from your research. This is one of the most important parts of the inquiry process because it's the culmination of all of your work. And no matter what you find yourself doing throughout your life, you're always going to be called upon to think critically and bring fresh knowledge and solutions to the table. The end products that you create are going to vary based on your individual projects. Some of them will be physically engineered, some might be works of art, and all of them will have to illustrate your new knowledge to your teachers and peers and the rest of the world if you wish. So as you explore ways to create an engaging and informative end product, keep the following questions in mind. Think about a time when you participated in a genuinely engaging lesson. What were the characteristics that made it engaging and interesting? How did the teacher or facilitator demonstrate their knowledge and get you involved and interested in it? And what do you feel is the most effective way to share information and demonstrate results? So I'm going to direct you to a Padlet online. You'll be able to click on all of the links here. And it's got some resources. You'll see over here, this is the discussion question I just mentioned. This is the AASL standard I mentioned earlier. And this over here is 10 resources. They're all links that you can click on to give you some ideas on how to create an engaging end product. Resource number 1 is from Experiential Learning Depot, and it's a great list of ideas for products. Resource 2 is 9 actual examples of student end products that high school students have created. Number 3 will look familiar to you. It's a refresher for evaluating the information that you're going to share with the world, the smell test. Resource number 4 is also going to look familiar. This is the Big 6. You've been using these steps throughout your research process, and each of those steps needs to be clearly demonstrated and highlighted within your end product. And resource 5 is, you guessed it, Playposit. No doubt you've been on the learning end of many Playposits over the past few years. These became very popular during the COVID times. And this tutorial is going to teach you how to create what they call a learner-made bulb, which is a student-created Playposit so that you can be on the teaching end of it. Resource number 6 is a quick tutorial on how to create an engaging infographic using Canva. Number 7 is an introduction to sketch notes, and that might be familiar to some of you because you had a sketch notes project in your English class. You had to create a sketch notes poster based on the Crucible and Half-Hanged Mary. Resource number 8 is a really cool tool called Bulb, and it is a way to house a digital portfolio for you. And I've recently learned that digital portfolios are fast becoming a requirement for students across the board in some advanced high school courses and in college and even post-grad work as well. Resource number 9 is none other than Padlet, which is what I've used here. And you can see by my demonstration that this is a great way to share information and to house a lot of different resources and a good way to teach people. And then number 10 is another personal favorite. It's called SlidesGo, and it's a free site that has dozens of various templates that can be downloaded either as Google Slides for my peeps who are all on Chromebooks, and also as PowerPoint presentations. So whichever way you prefer to present, you can download templates, and they have all kinds of cool symbols and animations and things like that in order to enhance any presentation. Right? Good luck with your endeavor to making an engaging end product. And as always, come and find me with any questions you have. Bye.